Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Methi Mutter Malai without onion and garlic. That is Jain recipe. For that I have taken 2 cups of methi leaves, loosely packed and chopped it here. This is around 1 cup of mutter. I have boiled it with little bit of salt, oil, a small piece of Tej Patha, a small piece of Dalchini, and quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, salt, Kasuri methi, little bit of sugar, quarter teaspoon Garam Masala, chili powder. According to our requirement I have taken half teaspoon Dhania powder, a pinch of elaichi powder. This is quarter teaspoon cumin powder and haldi powder. Here I have taken 2 tomatoes, blanched, removed, peeled the skin and ground it along with the cashew nut and Magaz seeds, which I had soaked for 1 hour and washed it properly. Then I ground the cashew and Magaz, then I added the tomato, and now I'm going to strain this for getting a smooth consistency. In this I have added a small piece of paneer also. The gravy is ready here. Kadai is hot. I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil. Then I will add the methi leaves in it. Saute this. Till it is cooked, you just saute the same continuously. While grinding the cashew tomato paste, I added 1 green chilli in it. That's why I have taken the red chilli powder less. We eat very less spice. The methi leaves are cooked. Now we will remove this. You can use butter or ghee also. Now in the same kadai, I am adding another 2 teaspoons of oil. We'll add the cumin seeds, Tej Patha and the cinnamon. This is done. Now we will add the tomato kaju paste in it. Cook this till the raw taste of Kaju and Magaz is gone. You have to continuously stir it because it is likely to stick to the bottom of the kadai. So see, now it is reduced and the raw taste also gone. Now we'll add the masalas in it, like the chili powder, dhania powder, haldi powder, jeera powder, ilaichi, etc. and stir it continuously. Let the masala get incorporated into it. We'll add the salt also. Now we'll add the methi leaves and the mutter in it. Cook it for 5 minutes. I have added a little water in it because the gravy was very thick. Now we'll allow this to boil. According to the consistency required, you can add water. This has come to boil. Now we will add sugar, kasuri methi and garam masala in it. Mix it. And switch off the gas. So our Jain Methi Mutter Malai is ready here to serve. This you can serve it along with paratha, chapati, roti. So this is done. Now final touch, the cream. I have got Amul cream. If you have malai at home, you can use that also. Just add 2 tablespoons of cream in it. Mix it well. garnish with some coriander leaves. This is optional. I like it, so I'm adding it. So after adding the cream in it, the Methi Mutter Malai is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.